how to check the baseband and kernel version on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on about phone. After that, we scroll down. Then tap on software information. From here, you'll be able to find the baseband version on your device, as well as the kernel version. And here, my baseband version and kernel version is 6.6.30. Android on the 15.8/30th. And that's it. So that's how you can find out. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.